Pop quiz. What's the best way to get rid of stubborn, stubble, and pesky peach fuzz at home?
A?
C. The answer is always C. Sugar Me Smooth uses simple natural ingredients to give you soft, smooth skin at home. It's cleaner than waxing, lasts longer than shaving, and is less invasive than a salon. Experiment time! Thioglycolic acid, sodium hydroxide, whatever this is. Would you put this on your legs?
No.
What about down there? You're no lab rat. Why risk it all with this when you can get rid of unwanted hair in a few simple steps? No strips, chemicals, or heat. Just clean, safe ingredients that work. Now that's good chemistry. I'ma be real. Monthly waxing sessions are painful for you and your wallet. And none of it adds up to smooth skin that lasts. Sugar Me Smooth maintains your bikini line without breaking the bank.
What if I want to keep some hair?
Ma chérie, your body, your canvas.
And voila!
I love that. But for those spots you want super smooth, put down the old school torture devices and switch to Sugar Me Smooth.
Summer vacation, here I come.
And click the link to choose Sugar Me Smooth today. Woo! Come on, click that link!